welcome guys. Today I will tell you about something about how to make artificial neural network using TensorFlow. In my last videos I have properly explained you how to make artificial neural network manually, like the functions provided by TensorFlow. You can also create it by your own. So here, if you see, we leverage the benefits of TensorFlow. Using TensorFlow, we can easily make tensors and do some operations whatever we want. So as I said earlier, if you want to have any idea about how to make tensors, artificial neural network, uh, originally by yourself, you can follow my last videos. So let's start. For making tensor using TensorFlow, steps are really easy. First, you need to have some random data like array values between 0 to 100, or yes, let's suppose I have this as 5 cross 5 matrix that is uniformly distributed, and random data b is uh, is also the same with 5 cross 1 matrix. So here you see that originally what we have manually created placeholders and variables. TensorFlow provide this facility. So you see we have tf.tens placeholder. This function actually, what this function make is to deal with the placeholders that are initially empty, and we feed data. So what we are planning to do, we are feeding data with the with data type, with some data type, a float 32. Like we have points values, because you see we have random array, a array and b array, and that's floating point number. So we have a placeholder and b placeholder. So what we do, we are feeding data. So for the add operations, if you use a plus b and a minus a multiply b, now you see these a b are not uh, normal variables. These are TensorFlow variable, and TensorFlow's placeholders. So any data from TensorFlow will be guessed, will be automatically inserted, and what we predict, uh, mm, let's see that how to